Model, 2009 BMW X5 3.0D Shay 5S Auto None Runner Timing Chain Spares OR Repairs. Body, silver 4x4. Mileage, 218,213. MOT, the 14th of January 2025. Engine, 2993 CCM 57D30 TU2 173 of a kilowatt. Transmission, 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, timing chain has snapped. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. This was running perfectly and the rear diff was not long replaced. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, start-stop, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the